In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix PSN cannot create accounts. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your PSN service status. Simply go ahead and open your settings, network, and then view PlayStation network status, or you could also visit status.playstation.com. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try turning it off and turning it back on. Also, make sure that the date and time settings is always set to automatically, because that is also going to go ahead and interfere with it. Also, you might also simply go ahead and need to try logging into with your email, because sometimes you might have already created an account and forgotten it. If that is not the case, stop using your PlayStation and use a web browser to create an account for PlayStation. Also, check if your account has any restriction for the region where PSN is not supported. Make sure that you are in a region where it is supported. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.